I'm very lucky. I've got a fantastic business partner who thinks and acts exactly the same way. And that is that we like to give our people a bit of room to move. We like to encourage them to be innovative and a bit creative, whether it's in our manufacturing facility where we're trying to reduce the manufacturing cost of a component that they're making. We could even be just talking about cents or minutes here. We like to give them that license to try it, and if it doesn't work, well, so be it. But if it does work, well, that's even better. And same in our software team. They basically have license to run that department. We kind of set the strategic vision where we go, what we want to achieve. We then let them work out how we're going to get there. And of course, nothing in this is new, and there's a lot of organisations out there that can do it. But I think it's that consistency, one, between Jeff and I, but two, the consistency of allowing a number of people to be a little creative and innovative in their own way without fear of being reprimanded.